Hi guys. Welcome to PDF.co. Today we will show you how to read barcode from URL asynchronously in PHP programming language using PDF.co web API. You can see the link of full tutorials in the description box below. Come and check out PDF.co for more info. Here's the sample PDF with different types of barcodes that we are going to use in this tutorials. Now, let's start by opening the Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in PHP. Then, insert the PHP sample code inside the compiler. You can see the link of the PHP sample code in the description box below. Next, add the API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. Then, input the direct URL of your source file. In the barcode types, enter the lists of barcodes you'd like to search. And set async to true. Once you're done setting up the code, you may now save it. Now, let's go to the browser and type in localhost / your PHP folder / and the PHP file. Once the program runs successfully, it will return the job ID, display the timestamp, status and temporary URL. Then, click the temporary URL to view the output. Here's the output that we successfully read the barcode types and its value. We've got a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website or visit on our YouTube channel. And kindly hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.